Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Willie T with an E and a 3. We back with another video today. Today, man. Just stop coming to Atlanta at this point. Stop driving Atlanta. Stop being here. Stop moving to Atlanta. I'm just playing. I'm bullshitting. I moved to Atlanta, so I can't say shit. Anyway, we got a new reaction video for y'all boys. And this Atlanta legal pit was a movie. Now, this was the Pink Flamingo event that they had, and I was gonna go to it, starring Caribou. My family worried about me hearing my music. Mama says she's trying to get a gun because you know I'm gonna use it. So what are you talking about? It's a Caribou stand account. By the way, yeah, that's not what we're here for. We're not here for the motherfucking story. We're here for the motherfucking reaction. All right, let's get right into it, man. Let's get right into it. I'm just yapping. Sheesh. I don't know, somebody got sent flying on one of these videos. I seen that shit all over Instagram. Sheesh.
Got a nice package on your butt.
Whoa. What?
I'm sorry. Did you want a red handprint on your cheeks too?
No.
That's
Oh
right, son.
shit.
I'm only asking once. It finally starting to disperse everybody.
That was for me too. Like the motherfucking video, nigga.
Man, it's so cold out here. I'm developing a list.
Trying to do safety first, y'all. I know y'all gonna do y'all thing, but
These next few minutes were so amazing, I couldn't edit it short. Please sit back and rejuvenate your soul. Rejuvenate. I would do it. Jeez, so we got a E46 M3 and we got two E46 M3s. Beautiful. Wait, that's my boy. Shout out my boy Squid. Squid M3. He got an M3. Shout out my boy Squid. Awesome.
I'd rather be at an Astro World concert.
What? Roll back. Yeah, that's me. Look at just how, okay, you see when I roll back, you see how the crowd just, ah. Have you ever been to one of these functions in real life, bro? You know, I literally just went to one literally yesterday, and I'm going to post a video about it. I might post that video tomorrow. I might get an edit, post that video tomorrow. I literally ended up at, I guess it was legal. It was in the hood, so it was legal. Like, wasn't no cops coming out there type shit. It was technically legal. Facebook. Damn, he wrecked it.
Yeah, this legal pit is not going to be possible. I think we have a higher fighting chance in the streets. This is not manageable at all.
Damn, I know Pink Flamingo is sick. Pink Flamingo, they really pride themselves in just like professional, good stunt drivers. If in a wreck, accidents happen, but he probably like, damn, bro, like, gotta do better. Yeah, Sarsky. He holding that bitch. He riding that motherfucker. He walking that motherfucker. Yeah, he walking that bitch.
I was literally incapable of holding my camera earlier. I was going numb. My nerves no longer exist. I need what she's wearing. Why she built like a blue raspberry juice barrel we used to drink when we were kids? Excuse me.
Nah, for real.
My bad.
What, an F80?
This is a Texas legal pit on crack. Bruh. What is this?
What happened?
They're treating every individual slider like a damn celebrity. Kanye spawned in the mix. I don't know what the hell happened. Man, I need whatever that black wearing. She over here looks like an Among Us character. This is at least how 50% of the women are dressing out here. Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh yeah, he from Texas. He gotta be from Texas. He just said some Texas shit. But yeah, Atlanta is different, bro. These niggas be different.
Hey.
And it was, no, let me tell you how cold. It was so fucking cold this day. It was like 23 degrees this day. So for like the women be just like that, it's actually insane. Literally insane.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Oh, he's serious. He's serious. Never mind. Damn. Look at Counter-Strike Jones. Damn.
Oh shit.
Yahoo! Ugly.
That nigga got a Call of Duty gun.
He's serious. He's
That was
serious.
a P.
Damn. Look at Counter-Strike Jones.
Nigga had a PDW. What that is?
Damn.
Nigga got a real deal PDW out of this bitch. MP7 on that motherfucker.
Yahoo! Ugly.
Shit, is that Gio? Oh, that's Caribou. That's Caribou. That's Caribou hanging out that bitch. Look at her.
This nigga brought a fishing pole. Bro, what the? What are you trying to reel in the? Bruh. You gotta explain. I can't even get on camera.
My boy, he gonna get that close. He got that 360 camera in that bitch. He probably got the best videos there. 360 camera on the stick? Come on now.
Oh.
Knew that was a scat. I knew it was a scat. One thing scats and cats, they're always like the easiest, like the most you'll see sliding at these things. The problem I have with them is VAs produce so much smoke. After a while, it just gets impossible to see what the fuck is going on. Like you seen them BMW, they was slide. I don't know what it is. Those BMW, they was sliding. They was hitting their shit, but they don't burn that much rubber. But these fucking scats and these cats, bro, they burn so much fucking rubber, bro. Probably because they're like 500, 700 horse, but they burn so much fucking rubber. It's ridiculous. I don't know why I said that like that. M3 that we just seen wasn't pushing probably like 600, but it's like, you see the way the Beamer slide? You can see what's going on in a fucking Mopar, bro. Look at this shit. Can't see shit.
He's going in circles. It's not worth frostbite. Damn. Oh, that sounds good.
Hey, look, he's finna slide his shit, but not enough. Let's see, look. He sliding shit, but not that much. They're not burning that much rubber. Like, I don't know. Can somebody explain that to me? Like look. It's just, how do they make sliding classy? Like, how does Mopar sliding just get real nigga? Like, I mean, just wild smoke everywhere. BMW sliding is just classy and majestic. How the fuck did they do that? How is that even possible? They're both burning rubber.
Oh yeah. The rollbacks.
This is impossible. This is gonna end very bad. Oh, I think this is when the clip happens. Oh hell no.
Oh, he's been to a track a couple of times. The airport is 20 miles that way.
Crazy. What do you think finna happen? There's 4 people in here.
No, sir.
Alright, here we go.
God damn. Oh, what the hell?
You know I had to do it to him.
That That's Big Head. Hold up. That was Big Head. Shot my boy Big Head from the 706, man. Columbus, Georgia shit. Shot my boy, man. Also, Mopar niggas have proved that you can do a rollback in an automatic vehicle. They do it all the time. It's really not a hard concept, but these folks out here definitely got manuals. It's just, I feel like you feel like it's impossible to do a rollback in the automatic, but it's not. They do it all the time. But it's so much cleaner on the fucking manual. He can just ning 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 ning, pop that bit, throw that bit back in first, fucking dump that clutch out of there. Oh, there you go. He took him out. He took him out right there. See, when there's two cars in the pit, look both ways. Taken out. Gone.
Oh, God, not
Damn.
again. Oh, my Lord.
Everybody want to get it on video, bro. Every time somebody gets smacked, everybody want to get on video. Everybody want to post in their story. Everybody wants to be the one that got the video, bro. Just relax. God damn, you see how fast some niggas swarm? They don't give a fuck about him. He okay. They just want to get this nigga on video. Look.
Oh, God, not again. Oh, my Lord. He got hit. He fell out. Like, bro, what's so gratifying about that?
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro.
Oh.
Hold on. The M4?
Oh, he made it back to Houston. That's fire. He from Houston, Texas. We know now. Not gonna lie, I'd rather see this than the slideshows, bro.
Incoming! Twin turbo! Hold on a second!
Jeez. That shit sounded crazy.
Oh my God!
Hit that bit.
Okay. Man, you would end up on the news, nigga! Oh my God!
Damn. Sheesh. Porsche.
It sounds like a jet. Bruh, he literally just touched down. He landed on the airstrip. He said, yeah, the boost gonna kick in like right here.
Sheesh.
More boost! More boost!
He's out here boosting. 5 O's.
You got a nice package on you, boy.
Alright, bro.
Sorry.
Jeez.
Child number 27. I refuse to believe this is the rest of the meat. There's still more to sit on.
You know, him being from Texas makes a lot more sense on why every single car is pushed through this bitch is pushing like 600, 700 minimum. And everything's fucking boosted. I'm like, why is all these Mustang? In Atlanta, you do not see that shit. In Atlanta, you do not see all these boosted cars, bro. Like, you might see like 4 at a meet, bro. Like, oh, piece of hair on. You go to a regular meet, you might see like 4 like extremely boosted 700 plus 1,000 horsepower cars. Here's like everything.
Putting yourself voluntarily in danger for a ZR1 is actually a manly thing to do.
So get your ass over there.
Hell no! I'm overstimulated.
Damn.
We're in a bar, bro. Me in that face.
Sheesh.
What you gonna do about that, what? What's happening, bro?
That's fire. This makes me just want to get a JDM car now, bro. Alright. Oh, we already seen that video. Dang. that's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're back at it like maybe really leave. I forgot to say that at the beginning. I was like, that's something I used to say in the beginning. I totally forgot what it was. We're back at like crack at it. And Whitney Houston would be proud. So that's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I usually gonna say a lot of shit. I usually you know what I'm saying? I usually speak my Japanese, but I think that's the end of the video, dude. Broski. So like stay tuned for the next video, dude. Which will be tomorrow. So yeah. For real. At the end of the day, I got you want to get you one. Me and got you one. You better get you one. Goddamn, give me one. If I get mine before you get yours, I'm gonna tear the city up. For real. For real. Huh? For real. For real.